Okay, in this section you are supposed to go shopping for the products that you need to create the table. So in this case we're looking at order of operations, which is the way that we move across an equation. And when you're purchasing the items, you're doing the math to see how much you've spent so far. When you do this, are you going to add the cost of an item to the cost of another item and then multiply that by the number of like items? Like this, when we have wood stain for $8.54 plus a nail for 31 cents, that equals $8.85. But we have 15 nails, so we'll multiply that by 15, which gives us $132.75 for 15 nails and wood stain. Or are we going to multiply the price of an item by the number of like items you purchased and then add? So in this case we would have a nail for 31 cents times 15 nails would give us $4.65, and then we're going to add in that wood stain at $8.85, and we'll find out that we're spending $13.50. So this is an example of the fact that we always multiply before we add or subtract. And I don't know about you, but I'm personally grateful that stores know that order of operations, because that would be an expensive set of nails and wood stain if they didn't. We can also look at sales tax and discounts in this section. In Idaho we have a 6% sales tax. And so in order to find out how much we have to pay in tax, we have to multiply everything by 0.06 or 6% in decimal form. So let's go back to the nails and stain that we purchased in the last slide. If we paid $13.50 for them, what would our sales tax be for those items? Well, we take $13.50, multiply that by 0.06, and we'd get 81 cents. So our taxes on that $13.50 would be 81 cents. So my question to you is, did you keep in mind your sales tax when you filled out your form for how much your tables were going to cost? If not, you should go back and fill that in now. Alright, and then now if we look at discounts, we use that same type of math. Let's say that the stain was 15% off. All we have to do is turn that 15% into a decimal, 0.15, and multiply that by the sales price. So 8.85 times 0.15 equals $1.33. So we're taking $1.33 off of that original sales price, and we're left with $7.52 to pay for that stain. So both of those, sales tax and discounts, are using percentages for the original sales price. One, it's making it more expensive, one, it's making it less expensive. Either way, we're using that same type of math. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help.